Do we know what the properties the dodecahedron has today?
Well, one has to rather sadly remind people of a major negative. And the major negative is when we had a world war, and we completed that world war by dropping 2 atom bombs. 2 atom bombs which wiped out 47,000 people each time it went off.
Are you actually implying that the dodecahedron is actually an atomic bomb or the atomic power?
I'm not implying, I'm telling you that the atomic bomb was fashioned in a dodecahedron. The people who made it, they had to make it symmetrical, and they wanted to explode symmetrically. And the people in Los Alamos, where they made the atomic bomb, they made it in a dodecahedron. It's obviously a form of great power, and it certainly was used for great power in a negative sense in our own day. But it's a mystery.
Apparently, it was considered so profound that it may have been the great secret of the Pythagoreans. Plato was forbidden to reveal it, and yet he did. He hid it in the Republic in the divided line, and then in the Timaeus, he gives us 2 of the beautiful triangles, the bisection of an equilateral triangle gives us what's called square root of 3. And if we take a square and run a diagonal like this, we get square root of 2 along the diagonal. Well, he revealed those, but the one he couldn't reveal is this one, the golden ratio. And yet he talked about, I don't know if this is getting too esoteric, the dodecahedron as being essential, representing the entire cosmos. But he describes how to build the tetrahedron, icosahedron, octahedron, and the cube, the hexahedron. But he doesn't tell us how to build the dodecahedron, each side of which is a pentagon with pentagrams in it. If he had, he would have revealed the secret, and which would have been violating his oath of silence. By not revealing it, it's conspicuous by its absence.
Socrates revealed the dodecahedron in his last speech before he took his. He said, if you could see the world as I can see it, it's made of 12 leather pieces, like the football the children play with. He was implying, as the point was a bridge between the metaphysical and the physical, the dodecahedron was like a completion from the physical back into the metaphysical.